Hey everybody, it's David Bott here from Outside Our Bubble, and hey, I'm coming to you not with anything new. This is nothing new to begin with at all. It is new to us, however. Now, if you may recall, in the past, I admitted I was wrong. What was that? What? Say what? David was wrong? Yes, I was wrong, and that was about the tire covers. Not using tire covers, but using a UV protectant on your tires instead. Boy, was I wrong on that, and because of that, I went and searched and found that Magne Shade makes these really cool tire covers. I mean, they go over your tires really nice like this, and they still show you your rims and everything, and these are great. And they made such a great product for us that, you know, I bought them all and I put them on, and people loved them that saw them, and I guess you guys did too, because when I did the video, a lot of orders came in from Magne Shade. So they called me and said, hey Dave, do you use any of our other products? And I said, well, actually, no, I don't. I use the inside day-night shade combination because I like to be able to put it up at night and stuff like that, or whatever. If I want to see out, I want the option. And however, we have been talking about it because we have a dog, Loki, now, and he likes to get up on the dashboard. Well, that's the problem, because he hits the shade and that hits against the glass and it makes marks because I have a UV tint on the internal side of our glass. Anyways, long story short, I said, you know, I liked your tire covers so much, I got to order your whole set. So I gave them the dimensions of everything. So I have now Magne Shades for the entire front of the vehicle, right down to mirror covers. Yes. Now, let me tell you, the mirror covers, I mentioned this only because of one thing, Brenda. I mentioned this because Brenda said, hey, see if they have mirror covers. And I said, why? She goes, because I'm tired of the mirrors when we're up in upstate New York for 6 months and the birds are nesting in the trees next to us, using our mirror as a place to stop and poop. And she's hoping that putting that will stop that. I'm not too sure it'll stop that, but I won't have to be cleaning it all the time. But anyways, long story short, I got Magne Shades for the rest of the vehicle, and we're going to put them on right now. Let me show you first and foremost where I store my Magne Shades for, say, these. Because they're magnetic, and the coach has got a big solid steel frame, underneath here, this is all, solid structure, solid steel. Well, there's magnets built inside the Magne Shades. It makes a perfect support holder for the Magne Shades to ride on. Look, I just grab them and pull them off. Isn't that cool? Put them right back on. Ta-da! Perfect storage compartment for your Magne Shades is the suspension or the chassis of your motor coach. At least in this case it is. So let's go put these on and show you how it's done. Now, the Magne Shades come with, these are for the side, these are for the passenger side. This is for the driver's side, and this is for the main windshield, which is the biggest thing. And they give you 2 poles, because sometimes having a friend help you put the big one up is a good thing. But Magne Shade, the term Magne Shade comes from magnet, and that is because these go up with magnets. You install magnets on your windows, and I'm not going to go through the entire install process, and how you put them in and stuff like that, but I'm going to show you what it looks like when they're all in. So, why don't we go ahead and put them up, shall we? Okie dokie, Smokey, as they say. Poles extend, and they have these nice little flaps right here. See that? So basically, all we're doing is we're putting it, I'll do one and then we'll move on, and I'll just do the other ones in quick time. But anyways, see like that? It goes into this window here. Look. Click. 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 That's it. Push it, make sure nice and tight in there, and that's how they go up. Same thing with the other window. And of course the big window, that's the biggest one. So basically, the magnets are really strong, by the way. So, oh wait, that don't look right. That's what she said. Okay, so anyways, the magnets are strong, so they're sticking together as I unroll them here. So I'm fighting with them, even though I'm not fighting with them, they're just being annoying to me right now. But the same thing has a little pocket So you go like this, slide this into the little pocket, slide it up to the corner. It clicks right into place. Take your other one, clicks right into place. Make sure they're in the right positions, and then make sure your other ones are in the right positions, and that's it. There, protective covering. Now let's do the other side. Now the other side, this one has a motorized window, and because of that, 4 of the magnets are on the outside frame. So again, we're just gonna do this, starting at one corner at a time. And to tell you the truth, I've never put this one up before. So this is a first. Oops, there you go. There you go. And that's the big one. And now the biggest one to do, the windshield. Oh, what fun that's going to be. And that's where 2 people come in really handy. So, hey, let's make this work. Shall we, Brenda? I'm going to insist on your help on this one, I think. You're going to want to open up the mirrors, or excuse me, open up the windshield wipers. Get those out of the way. And now, these are really big, strong magnets, like I said. Yeah. So, first thing to do is discover where the top is. There's the top. There's the top, bottom there. So, it goes up. Yeah. And it goes in. Snap, snap, snap. Now I hope the rest of it will unwind just as easily. And this is why I said earlier, it's easier if you have 2 people on this one. You can do it with 1, but it's easier if you have 2 people because, well, quite literally, you can, well, that's exactly why. So, yeah, you know, I had to try it for fun. So we're gonna put the camera down and I'm gonna have Brenda help me. And there's also windshield wiper covers that go on that too, just to complete the set. But that's what they look like. And hey, if you need to support a small company and you want something that looks great on your motor coach, there you go.
You can get pictures on it too. Not just black, but pictures.
Oh, Brenda made a good point. I'm sorry. And you don't have to have just black is what she's saying. That can be anything you want. If you want it to be a sunset, it can be a sunset. If you want that to be a picture of your dog, it can be a picture of your dog. That's what it can be. Anything you want it to be, as long as it's within taste. So, I forgot to mention that. They do custom printing. I'm David.
I'm Brenda.
We're out of here. Take care, keep safe. If you like what we do, please click subscribe. Bye.